through an online course is a popular way to build a digital business. If you want to turn your skills into an interactive learning experience without the technical headaches, this workflow might be just what you need. So this is CourseBox, and it's an interactive platform designed to really teach people skills that can help them level up their lives. Why not make money by teaching others using a CourseBox for your everyday digital business? You can create your dream course, the AI engine for interactive online training courses, and you can get started for free. So this is their platform. They've got options to add achievements, post updates, add courses, groups, questions, users, and leaderboards. You can also create a simple course using this prompt, write your own prompt, or even pause the video and jot this down. But just look at all the languages you can use: Spanish, Arabic, English, Australian English. There are so many different options. So we can even go ahead and create a language if we want to. We're going to do it in English, make sure it's set to the right one, and create our course. And now it's actually designing it step by step. Once that's done, you can see it already has quite a lot. 11 sections, 27 pages with 9 quizzes and 8 assignments. A full 3 hours already created. Then we can actually make it a bit shorter. So create smaller courses with fewer quizzes and assignments. And it's just reduced it to 5 sections. AI masterclass for small business owners. You can see these are all the things you can learn. Basic AI, you get a certification, marketing, basically everything you'd need for a business. And you can do it all right here. It's got everything you'd want. Quizzes, achievements, questions, groups. You can easily add more by including videos or images. You can ask AI to add a video, a quiz, an AI tutor, settings. Everything is so easily done right here. We're going to add either an AI video or upload a video, depending on what you got. So I've got a video here. I can just upload it like this, and it'll load up in here. I can add a video link, like from a YouTube channel. I can upload it that way too. There are so many ways to add content to each of my courses. I can even import slides as a PDF. So let's go ahead and select the Glow Summer, and it uploads that quickly. 2-3 slides are uploaded and it's already done. I can add voice. I can generate it, and I don't need to have loads of different tools all connected. I can actually do it all from here using an AI avatar or just being myself and adding my own image. So as you can see, I can choose different voices for the avatars. I can add text. I can add images. I can add the background all here, even a logo. There are so many different templates with different block colors. So we'll choose this one and change the background of the AI avatar. I can hide a block, make it really, really easy, and boom, just like that, it'll start generating a video and move on to the next. Or just use AI to change it even more. This is the power of AI. You can do so much with AI on this platform using CourseBox.ai. I can even add accordions, hotspot images, carousels, flipbooks, all right here. It's all built in. There's no need to have 3 different types of platforms. I can make an easy quiz with flashcards. You've got a front and a back to it right here. It's pretty amazing what they've achieved. You can see that this one's already finished. You can have condensed notes, and it's just so easy. Honestly, I wish I'd had this years ago, because having to cobble together so many different tools to make it work, now with tools like CourseBox.ai, you can have it all built into one. So this is an AI scenario, and you can really just describe what you want the scenario to be about, and it will generate that scenario for you pretty much instantly. Boom, it's already done and it's ready to go. There's a little quiz here for the scenario, and you can choose what you want to ask, and it will answer the question, and you're able to carry on with the scenario. And that helps the learner build that cognitive ability to understand the material even better. The more interactive material we can add to our course, the better. It even says poor choice, so we know there was a better option. We can actually add loads of different interactions within the tool. So as you can see, we're going to make it even simpler by just adding, make the English a little bit easier to understand. And it does it. Here we can edit it, we can preview it, we can add different text and highlights. We can change the text, make it bold, switch it into multiple columns, add a theme, change the primary color to make it your own to match your branding, change the heading color, change the background color, body text, link color. It's all customizable within this platform, so you can really make it your own. And that's the power, of course, of CourseBox.ai. You're able to have all these tools integrated without ever having to connect all sorts of different tools together. It's all built in. So this is a CourseBox tutor. You can have custom instructions for that tutor icon, and you can train it using your existing content, which is a game changer for anyone who wants to build a course. Instead of coming to you with questions, they can actually ask the AI tutor, and it'll be based on your content, which is brilliant for businesses, tutors, and education alike. It's fantastic to have an AI tutor handle any questions the student might have and be able to understand the material that's been provided. And you're not swamped with emails and text messages from your student. You've got an AI tutor that does all the heavy lifting for you. So this platform is a real game changer. You can actually share this course, make it public, or keep it private. You can sell this course, start earning revenue from it simply by adding Stripe or Paystack. There are so many different ways to share the content. You can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, so your students can access it from anywhere. This is what makes CourseBox.ai so powerful and such a game changer, because you're able to do so much all within a single platform. So as you can see, all the different tools are ready to go. We've built an entire course in just a few minutes, and now you can too. I challenge you to start your first course today completely free, and you can begin earning a profit by launching your digital education business right now.